Well, I think it's time to philosophize or a bit of philosophy, mainly because I've had a couple of wines tonight. Photoshop is such a big beast and very, very difficult. For example, you come up to these menu options. We've actually got around 1,000 different menu options. And in each menu option, sometimes with all these dots, they give you all these extra options when you go into those. The thing is not to learn it all, only learn what you need to do. So if you only need to blur a little bit of the image background, learn that, or sharpen something. I would say one of the major things to learn in Photoshop is learn how to create your selections. And the couple of selections that I used to like to use are color range and select and mask. And I've got some videos up here and just have a look at them. You'll like them. Otherwise, the interwebs got lots and lots of these things. But have a browse around, have a play with things. And if you're not sure on what you're really doing, give me a yell. I'm happy to help.